My name is Florent. Nice to meet you. I'm very proud to be at ISE this year, and today I'm going to present you Mapwize. Mapwize not only has a product from a kiosk itself, but basically what we do is indoor maps for any kind of buildings. Why is that? It's like you are in the 21st century. How come are you still getting lost inside a building? How come are you frustrated by not finding the correct spot at the very same moment? So what we do is pretty simple. We have a SaaS cloud solution that allows you to create interactive content on top of your floor plans. Basically, one floor plan for the visitors, and then afterwards, from a single exploration dot, you can definitely see and create interaction on top of the floor plans. As a result, no time lost by finding the correct spot, whether this meeting room is now available or not, or instead, perhaps, not getting late for an exam. Thanks a lot for your interest, and if you want more information, no problem to consult mapwize.io. Thanks.